how to let people save your TikToks. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go over to Privacy. Here, scroll down and go to Downloads. Now, enable video downloads. This allows other people to download your videos and share videos to other platforms. Following these steps, you can easily let people save your TikToks. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.